hoping to, like we say, that
I think this is hard time for all of us, but we are fighting, and we are doing many things which we normally are not able to do in terms of product, in terms of network, in terms of customer base, touch points.
how do you see this PPP model?
Well, I think to last 5-year plan, the PPP has done some progress, not to the expectations. And now in the next 5-year plan, there is a significant portion of private partnership. So I would say that this is working fine. But then how the revenue distribution happens, that clarity, if it is not there, then the motivation will not be so high. But I think the beginning is good.
And would you like to comment on the arbitration part of it? Because a 20-year long contract,
Yeah,
it's been bit long, and a lot of things change these days and all.
absolutely.
So how do you see that? I mean, arbitration through what?
I think the regular arbitration process through the normal channel will definitely not be a working phenomenon. They have to set up something parallel to make it happen.
Something on innovation and R&D case. Is it India-centric or?
Well, we have most of the R&D centers in Europe and US, and of late we have developed our own strength also. Whatever is very critical, requiring very long validations, very critical validation, we do it there. And whatever are the facelifts and basic work of design happens here. As far as innovation goes, there are several products which are contemporary, and people are working on those. So I think with passage of time, some of those will come to India.
That's wonderful, because India itself is a very diverse market. We have 50 degrees in Nagpur.
Maybe more.
And
and minus 10 degrees.
8 feet snow in Jammu, and we have a desert and very rough terrain all over. So I guess
That helps us in terms of validating in the practical situation, which is readily available. So when you export such machine, or when you validate, it is quite foolproof.
so anything on corporate social responsibility.
Well, we are located in Pithampur as factory, and nearby areas, what the education and the health care, we are trying to do our bit. Though it is too nascent, but we're trying.
Training to every level.
Training is extensive. Dealers, customers, other dealer operators, salesmen, our people together with them in service. So that training is happening. A lot of training happens within our premises at the factory, and now we are going forward to have regional training centers.
All of your communities speak common language. The case language, I would say. Wonderful meeting you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Appreciate it. Thank you.